Here's something interesting that you might not have known. In the years 1830 to 1840, B.F. Skinner, a renowned scientist, came up with a Skinner box. So basically, in the Skinner box, B.F. Skinner would run experiments on rats in order to find a relation between rats and human beings. And why rats? It's because rats have a very similar physiological, anatomical, genetic structure, similar to human beings. But here's something interesting. In the year 1940, B.F. Skinner ran an experiment on rats and addiction in order to find a correlation between human beings and addiction, and also patterns that lead to addiction. So in this experiment, when B.F. Skinner put a rat in his Skinner box, and it had a tap that used to produce cocaine, and the rat will basically live its normal life. There is a house, there is what, and stuff. It realized that the rat eventually got addicted to the cocaine. So it kept sipping the cocaine until it got addicted, and it was an addictive behavior. But then scientists of recent redid the same experiment, not of recent, of course, but in the 19th century, redid the same experiment B.F. Skinner was doing, but this time they improved the experiment and put the rats with other rats. So now in the Skinner box, they are no longer putting the rat alone. They would put the cocaine, yes, but they were putting the rat in a family, friends, and also many other random rats. And what happened was drastic. When they ran the experiment this way, they realized that the rat did not take the cocaine. Now, this is astounding. It goes back to draw to the anatomical and physiological structure of human beings as social creatures. So this means that when we are well integrated into a social environment, we are less likely to become addicted to substances. So this could be a reminder to call that friend or to say thank you to that friend that you've been ignoring.